Hi, in this video I will introduce an app. It's called Octohide VPN. So if you really want to use the best VPN, so this is one. You don't need to registration. You just need to single click to connect and 100% anonymous VPN server. So you can see the rating 4.3 out of 5 and 80k reviews, 22 megabyte size of the app, and 50 lakh, it means 5 million people already download this app. So it's really easy. Like if you want to check the main feature, you can see the country and you can get the free and VIP also, and you can hide your IP, no logos, customizations, there is settings you can customize it, flexibility, and like it's really amazing. People use it and they give the good review. So simply tap on the install button, so it takes few time to install.